Welcome to Invite English Family.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I would like to talk to you for just 2 minutes.
So, do I recognize you?
Oh. No. Actually, I've come to discuss about insurance policies with you.
Oh, I was thinking about getting insurance. Please come in.
Sure, madam.
Please take a seat. I'll go get you some water.
Thank you, ma'am.
You were sweating profusely. That is why I did not bring you cold water. Otherwise, you would have caught a cold.
You're really nice, caring person. Thank you so much.
That's the way. I am take care of everyone.
Madam, you have a golden heart.
Everyone should be treated with humanity. Isn't everyone equal?
Yes, madam. You're right.
Anyway, you tell me about the policy.
Just hold on. Ma'am, here you go. This is the most recent policy. That is the policy's unique feature. You will not be concerned. Even if you are 50 years old. This policy will completely protect you.
That sounds good. That it's a support for an old age. But because I'm young, the premium will be paid, right?
Take a look, ma'am. You know, youth just passes quickly. However, old age moves more slowly than you might wish.
Oh wow. You discovered yourself to be a poet. Insurance agents aren't usually very romantic. All they care about is selling insurance policies. But you ended up selling life philosophy. I'm impressed.
In fact, ma'am, I wish to be a Hollywood screenwriter. However, due to a sense of helplessness, I must complete this task.
So my guess was correct. When I first met you, I sensed an artist within you.
You are aware, ma'am. Only a jeweler can determine the value of a gem. You also appear to be quite artist.
Thank you very much.
Oh no! We completely forgot about the policy. We went off on a completely different tangent. Here you go, ma'am. This clause is included in this policy.
So, I'm glad to learn about your policy. But then I won't be able to afford such a high price. Actually, there is no guarantee of my job. And my company intends to cut things after the conversion, you know.
Such policies, ma'am, are frequently used to sell during such difficult times.
All right. What is your name, by the way?
My name is Rocky.
Okay, Mr. Rocky. I understand whatever you saying. You've probably heard the proverb your expenses should not exceed your earnings. And you are well aware of it. My life already has far too many problems.
Ma'am, times are tough. This too shall pass.
Well, you are quite a talker. You know.
Ma'am, I'm just a nice guy. You can believe me when I say this. You'll remember me forever. Because the policy I demonstrated is the best.
You appear to be a helpful personality. Do only one thing. Keep the policy in place. I'll read it and get back to you.
I write my number on this policy.
Okay. Oh my goodness, you have got quite a VIP number.
Ma'am. It's simply my passion. You know, if my heart desires something, I make it mine.
You know, you're a pretty poetic person. The writer is always prepared to dominate that agent.
I recite poetry only when a beautiful face comes in front of me. Okay, ma'am. I'm leaving.
Okay. Clever, very clever. I'll show you who I'm.
She appears to have a large home. And no family to speak of. Simply entice her with poetry and loving talks will suffice. Agent Rocky. There's a reason why Hollywood movies are named after you. Rocky.
Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me. Do I know you? Do I know you? Do I know you? Do I know you? Please keep the policy here. Please keep the policy here. I'll call you right back. 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 Please keep the policy here. Please keep the policy here. I'll call you right back. I'll call you right back.
Pay attention, Rocky. Whether Anna calls you or not. You'll have to go to her house anyhow tomorrow.
Well, didn't I tell you yesterday? I'll call you back.
I was actually in a nearby building. I assumed I was passing by your house. You know I won't like it if I don't pay your tax.
It is necessary to learn how to speak from you. This time, however, instead of paying taxes, you'll get it.
What do you mean, now?
Drink some coffee, and then leave while you're here. Please take a seat, and I'll get you some steaming hot tea.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, Mr. Agent. Hey. What happened?
No, nothing.
You were in deep thought, right?
That is not the case. I'm just a little tired, that's all.
Your cup of hot tea is ready. Drink it, and all your tiredness will vanish.
Thank you very much, ma'am. You're a wonderful person. I don't consider you a client. I consider you as a friend. And this policy is fantastic. Just forget about it. Ma'am, should I tell you something, if you don't mind?
Yes.
You must have some savings, don't you?
You are already aware. I only have this house with me. My savings are rapidly depleting. That is why I considered purchasing an insurance policy. But I had no idea how much it would cost.
Anna, you do not require insurance. You require a good friend. I guarantee it. This is as a friend of yours. Or of your insurance payments will be paid by me. Until you find work.
What kind of rules is this? Then comes friendship, followed by installment. So much trust, and that as well.
Come on, now. In friendship, roses are not plated. You are aware that the heart forges its own path. I regard you as a friend. Do you still think of me as your agent?
What should I say now? Everything is moving at such a breakneck pace. I'm at a loss for what to say and what to think. But then there's that. I see you're quite direct. You're a really sweet person.
If you do not express your feelings right away, then the mind enters the picture.
There you have it, the poet has reappeared. So, my friend, now tell me where to sign. I accept both your friendship and your policy.
Wait a minute. Here you go, ma'am. You can sign over here.
Here you go.
Thank you, ma'am.